This is Jennifer Mahoney with Blissful Mind and Body. We're going to discuss the power of gratitude. Gratitude changes everything. How we feel about our lives help us move forward. It helps our physical body feel better. We have talked a lot about hormone balance. If we can feel positive about what we're doing with our lives, it can help us meet our goals and improve mental and physical well-being. The science of gratitude exists. Dr. Bob Emmons wrote a book called Thanks. He noted people who have a consistent feeling of gratitude have better physical and mental health, lower anxiety, and less depression. Let's look at this gratitude intervention. There was a group that was asked to journal about 3 blessings and explore and write about why good things happened. As the placebo control, there was a group that was asked to journal about early childhood memories. Each did this for a week, and the gratitude group saw increases in happiness based on this happiness index and showed decreases in depression. And continuing this study for 6 months, they noted it led to longer-term effects. Practicing gratitude can help with better sleep. It helps to get rid of negative or stressful thoughts before bedtime. Not necessarily catastrophizing, but just running through the laundry list of things to do before bed does increase stress and poor sleep. Gratitude mentally allows you to be in the rest and digest state instead of fight or flight mode. Noticing the good things about people in your life and acknowledging them helps you have better relationships. It makes for better spirituality. You're attached to something larger than yourself, to God, the universe, and to nature. It helps people to persist. Gratitude helps people feel less materialistic, and their humility goes up. Now, humility isn't necessarily thinking less of yourself. It's more thinking of yourself less. Gratitude increases helping behavior. Expressing gratitude to others increases people's willingness to help you. There was a fundraiser of students making the phone calls, and those that were thanked by the supervisor made 50% more calls. They also paid it forward and helped others. Now, gratitude isn't always easy, and you have to believe it and feel it for the positive effects to be real, but practice does help. They do say fake it till you make it, but just start paying attention to small accomplishments and just try to see the positive in those things. You're going to be building the skill of gratitude. Every night for 7 days, write down 3 things that went well during the day. People who did this 6 months later had more life satisfaction and less depression. And it's addictive. Unlike dieting, it's fun to do. Thinking about something good is better for sleep, and people keep doing it. This isn't meant to be cookie cutter. It's more about actually just training your brain to get into this good habit. Thinking about what went right blocks thoughts about what went wrong, at least temporarily. It's a simple suggestion to help you move in the right direction.